Today's topic is item number 11 from the FDD or Franchise Disclosure Document, which is a legal document that is standardized and required by all franchisors in the United States. I am Ana Hernandez, and I've worked with thousands of franchisee owners and investors across 60 plus countries. I am the Vice President of Marketing at the dual franchise model brand Anago Cleaning Systems, and I'm excited to be able to share with you insights that could help you build a profitable franchise business. So let's talk about item number 11, which speaks about franchisors assistance. That includes training, support, and systems that is really key because this document will outline what the franchisor has legally listed as ways in which they will provide support while you're getting ready to open your business. This section will tell you exactly how they are going to support you, and it also may state how the franchisor may require you to, in some cases, use their particular system. This is generally pretty common. I've worked for a number of global franchise brands that require their franchisees to be aligned and use their system that will provide them access to their sales data. Trust me, it's an invaluable tool when a franchisor is able to use data to better understand product performance and adjust strategies that would lead to a more profitable business. You want to be part of that. Most people buy into a franchise for their system, processes, and support. So go through it and understand all the resources and tools that will be provided to support your business. And if you need any help, please connect with me. I'll be happy to help you. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. I really appreciate that. Thanks, and see you soon.